Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3 Set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on your TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust media and the call volume. So to do that, the best way is to be at the home screen. Now you just press the volume up and you should be able to change your media volume that way. Of course, we're going to go to the settings. I'll show you where it is, but the call volume, the only way to change it is by going into the phone app. Here, press the volume up, and as you guys can see, we're going to press it all the way. We want to click on 3 dots and make sure that we change the call volume. Now, what are we going to do is we're going to go to settings and make sure that we changed our media volume. So we're going to scroll until we see sounds and vibration. And here our media volume is boosted all the way to the right, so that means it's at its highest settings. Now, what are we going to do is we're going to make sure that our Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. So this is very important. As you guys can see, it is not in the sound and vibration. So you guys need to leave the sounds and vibration and go to modes. So as you guys can see, you have to, let's go over to the main page. So right at the top here, we want to go over into modes. So we're going to go over into the search bar. Here we want to search for modes. And once we are in the modes, here we have our Do Not Disturb. Here, if it says turn on now, that's great. And that means it's disabled. We want to make sure that it is disabled, because sometimes it can also lower your media volume and not only the notifications. So it can either mute it or lower it. And now what are we going to do as a last resort is we're going to update our software. So we're going to leave the Do Not Disturb. Now we're going to scroll all the way down to System, go to System Update, and check for updates. As you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. It is very important because you don't want any glitches on your device. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.